Hello, today I will quickly talk about the features for admin management and for this project. Great. And so we got the admin content management system. So we approve application, visualize database, submit issues for change, and then run some queries for database, and then submit issues. So basically we have two main features, it's like database features with some registrations, and then we just submit some issues. So for the database things, we have it in the admin folder, and so in the admin folder what we got is those add and edit. So we are going to add and edit some new database records using the admin. And for the layout, so most of the page will follow the same layout with the header, the footer, and while the admin is having a different script. But yeah, like the admin would have a different script. So yeah, we can see like on any page it would have the head, then the header and the body, then it will have the footer, and then finally it got like an admin file at the end. Just and the admin is just to check the user, and if there's no user, just gonna log out. Yeah, so this is just we just add and edit some new user. So pretty straightforward to select the table. So for users slightly different, but yeah, for add and edit. And apparently this also do some approval of user when you just check the approve button. Yeah, that's kind of it. And then we have the create database. So it's going to just grab the database in, and what it's gonna do is it's going to just show the database, and then what we just need to do is just echo that throw. So basically we just input that, and when we submit it, it just go into the back end and submit the request to create a new database to our server. Then yeah, and then from the index it just basically display all the table, and then in the header it's actually grabbing the in the header it's actually grabbing all the current table, and then it just display it through to the whole thing. Like yeah, so where it's not SQLite if we in the test mode, and then if we in the other mode we just go with the production. And so yeah, we're just gonna show the tables to everything. Yeah. So yeah, that's what it does. Yeah, basically, and then just log in. So this is where we just log into the admin system, and then the setup is when you set up the first user, the first or you set up the test mode. Is it a test or not? So yeah, test mode, you're not gonna have the full MySQL server, but you use the SQLite, so it's fully contained. Yeah. So yeah, that's that mean in terms of like database. And then if we look at the next one is when we look at the which is like those issues. So it's what it does is using GitHub as a way to control the issue. So once the record is submitted, it's going to submit an issues for the project. So if we look at the here, so in the projects there are issues tabs. So those are the one that we just use it, and then we submit that issues, and basically those issues are going to be controlled and being submitted. So yeah, So we're using that system to submit the issues through here, and then at the end we manage and we work on that for the project. Yeah. So in here we have a folder for issues, and then it's basically just got an index page. It's calling the API from GitHub, and so here it's just going to display all the issues, but for getting issues it's going to the JS folder, and then it's yeah, it shows the issues with some HTML, and then yeah, we got some issues descriptions and stuff, and then yeah, so those are kind of like some of our script for issues. So here's get the issues, so it's just saying the request go to GitHub, and grabbing the token, and then it's just saying the request to submit the issues and grab the issues. And yeah, like as you finish it, like basically you can mark it as done here as well. So that's where it is, add and edit. So you can add some more, like you can add some stuff in your issues or edit it as well for it. Yep. And then these are just some environment, just to check the environment and see what happens. So yeah, that's basically it for the whole admin management for this project. Thank you for watching, and I will see you guys then.